I think you should drive it backwards the whole time.
Right. Yeah, driving backwards works better.
I got a thinking of it.
Yeah, drive it back towards us. Let's take it distinctly.
So take the weight out and drive it backwards.
Yeah, driving it backwards, when you drive it forward, it turns in circles more. Driving it forward, did it die?
Come this way.
Yeah, come back.
Who's got that long stick?
Me.
We can fish it out. Is it steerable? Looks pretty steerable.
Try going forward. No, that's the new forward.
That is the new forward.
I don't know why it randomly cuts out like that. We charged it like all night.
Probably just the antenna.
So you don't need to be 8 when you want to straight.